Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Enhance 24 Hours. As everyone knows that a pregnant elephant dies after consuming pineapple stuffed with crackers in Kerala. This news has triggered a nationwide outrage. It matters that the animal which dies was an elephant, a majestic and much loved beast, which is also worshipped as the beloved Ganesha. The fact that the elephant was pregnant has made us even more angry about what happened. The Asian elephant is classified as endangered, and this death further adds to our guilt. So, we have to make drastic changes to our lifestyles to save it. Don't worry, we will protect you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.